Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how to send special offer emails automatically using Gmail for Facebook lead ads lead. Let's suppose I am running a digital marketing agency and I am collecting all my leads with the help of Facebook lead ads. I want that whenever I receive a new lead, automatically I should send a promotion email. Now doing this manually will consume a lot of my time, so I've completely automated this process, and to do this automation, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an amazing automation and integration software which requires no coding or programming skills. Here I just need to build connection between this Facebook lead ads and Gmail. With the help of Pabbly Connect, I am going to build this connection in such a manner that whenever I am going to receive a new lead from Facebook lead ads, I am automatically going to send them the promotion emails. Now if you want to learn the step-by-step process, then let me take you all to my screen. So here in this video, we are going to see how we can send the special promotion offers to all the leads which we have captured from Facebook. And for this, I have created this integration between Facebook lead ads and Gmail, and we are going to test this workflow once. For that, I will be opening my lead ads testing tool. I will generate the lead, and as soon as I do this, I should capture the special promotion email on my mailbox. So I'm going to enter my first name as latest, and I'm going to enter my email address as latest@pabblytudes.com. I'm going to enter my last name as user, and then I'm going to enter my phone number as this. I'm going to click on this continue, and then I'm going to click on this submit. Here, as soon as I have submitted this, I should receive a mail. I'm quickly going to open my mailbox and check whether I have received any mail there or not. And here it is. We can see that just 0 minutes ago I have received this mail. Hi latest user, so I have received a custom mail. Thank you for showing interest in Pabbly. We are excited to have you with us and wanted to share something special. So this is the mail which I have received as soon as I have submitted the form. So this is how this automation workflow is going to run. And now to learn how to create this, let's start creating this from the beginning. So here in this video, we are going to see how we can send the special promotion offers to all the leads which we have captured from Facebook lead ads. And for this, we are simply going to create integration between Facebook lead ads and Gmail with the help of Pabbly Connect. So this is the landing page of Pabbly, and you can visit this simply by typing pabbly.com in your browser. Now before we sign into a Pabbly account, let me quickly take you towards Pabbly community. So you can join this Pabbly community to connect with business owners, experts, and the Pabbly support team. You can share tips, ask questions, and get quick solutions to your automation challenges. You can stay updated on latest features and collaborate with thousands of users who help and support each other every day. Now if you want to learn how you can join this community, then please check out the link given in the description. Now let's move back towards Pabbly. After browsing this website, we need to sign into a Pabbly account. On the top right corner, you can see two options: sign in and sign up for free. If you are an existing user, click on this sign in, and if you are a new user, click on this sign up for free, and this will give you 100 tasks free on monthly basis. As I'm an existing user, I'll click on this sign in. And here all Pabbly apps page has appeared, which is showing me all the Pabbly applications. I'm going to click on this Pabbly Connect Access Now. Here it took me towards this dashboard where I will be able to find all my workflows over here and all the folders which I have created over here. Now if you want to create a new folder, simply click on this plus icon, and from here you can create a new folder. For now, I want to create a new workflow, for which I need to click on this create workflow, and I need to select my workflow builder. We have this new beta, which is modern, faster and more flexible one, and then we have this classic, which is the stable and a familiar approach. I'm going to select this new beta, and then I'm going to name this workflow as send special offer emails automatically using Gmail for Facebook lead ads lead. And now I need to select my folder. So these are the folders which have been created, and I'm going to select it as Facebook lead automation, and then click on create. So here workflow created successfully. As soon as I click on create, this box has appeared in front of me where I need to enter my trigger application. So trigger is basically an event which starts the automation of a workflow. There can be only one trigger step in a workflow, but as many as action steps as you want. Here in this workflow, I want to send the special promotion offers to all the leads which I have captured from Facebook lead ads which means whenever I'm going to receive a new lead in my Facebook lead ads, I'm automatically going to send them the mail, which means whenever I'm going to receive a new lead from my Facebook lead ads, this complete workflow here will get triggered, because trigger basically activates or triggers any workflow. So here in my trigger application, I will be taking Facebook lead ads, and following this trigger application will be my action application, in which I will be taking Gmail. Here in my trigger application, I will take Facebook lead ads, and then in my trigger event, I'm going to select it as new lead instant and then simply click on connect. Now, if you have an existing connection, go with save. If you don't have one, click on this add new connection, then click on this connect with Facebook lead ads. Now here I've already logged in my Facebook, and that's why it is asking me, do you want to continue with the same account? So yes, I'm going to continue with the same account, and it is always advisable to keep your applications logged in for the easy authorization. So here you see that Facebook lead ads is connected with Pabbly Connect, and now I'm going to enter the page name and the lead gen form. So here, to get this page name, if I open my Facebook account, this is the page which I've created by the name Digital Dynamics, and I will be running all my advertisements with the help of this particular page. So I will select my page as Digital Dynamics, and then I need to select my lead gen form. So in this drop down, you can find all the forms which I have created under this page. So to get this lead gen form, I will be opening Meta for developers. To visit this, you can simply type developers.facebook.com in your browser. Now as we land towards this, on the top here you can see all these options. We have to go towards resources and then click on this developer tools. Now this developer tools page has appeared in front of me, where if I scroll down, I can find this lead ads RTO debug tool. I will be opening this now. After this, I have landed towards this lead ads testing tool, and I have the page and the form. So the name of my page is Digital Dynamics. I will be selecting that, and then I'm going to enter my form. So these are the forms which I've created. I'm going to use this DD lead form, which has first name, email, last name and phone number. I'll select this DD lead form. I'll go back towards my workflow, and I'm going to select the DD lead form only. Now if you want to capture the response from all of the forms, you can select all lead gen forms. I'm particularly going to capture the response from this DD lead form. I'll select that. Now after entering this page name and the lead gen form, I'm simply going to click on save and send test request, and you will see it has changed to this waiting for webhook response. Now I need to do a test submission, and for this I will be opening my lead ads testing tool and do the form submission. After I generate this lead, I should capture the response here in this workflow, and this is going to show us the connection setup which we have just created is working fine or not. So I will be opening my lead ads testing tool and do a form submission. Before that, I'm first going to delete this lead, and then I'm going to refresh the page once. Now after doing this, I'm going to select the page again as Digital Dynamics and the form as DD lead form, and then I'm going to click on this preview form. So this form has opened in front of me. It has first name, email, last name and phone number. I will be submitting some dummy details here. So I'm going to enter my first name as current, my last name as user, my email address as current@pablitudes.com, and then I'm going to enter my phone number as this. After entering all these details, I'm simply going to click on this continue, and then I'm going to submit this. As soon as I do this form submission, I should capture the response in my workflow. I'll go back towards my workflow, and here let's wait for the webhook response. And here 3 seconds ago we have captured the response. So the name was current user, email address was current@pablitudes.com, and this was the phone number. Here as soon as I have done this form submission, I have captured that response here in this workflow, and this shows the connection setup which we have created between Pabbly Connect and Facebook lead ads that is successful. So now whenever I'm going to capture a new lead, I will start capturing that response here in this workflow. Moving on towards the next step, whenever I receive a new lead, I want to send them the special promotion offers. For that, I'm going to click on this add new action step, and then in my action application, I'll search for Gmail. In my action event, I'm going to select it as send email and then click on connect. Now if you have an existing connection, go with save. If you don't have one, click on this add new connection, then click on this sign in with Google. Now here I need to choose my Google account with which I'm going to send the mails. And after choosing that account, I simply need to click on this allow to grant away the permission. Your data is completely saved with Pabbly Connect, so you can do this. Here connection created successfully, Gmail is connected with Pabbly Connect, and I have to enter all these details now. First, I'm going to enter the sender name. So let's say the name of the sender is Pabbly. Then in the recipient email address, I'm not going to enter the recipient email address like this manually. Instead, I'm going to use a method called mapping, which means I'm going to enter the data from the previous response. I have received the response from this Facebook lead ads, and when I click on this field, I can see this Facebook lead ads. When I click on this, I can see all the response which I have received from there. I'm going to enter my email address as current@pabblytudes.com. Next, I'm going to skip the CC and the BCC field. Then in the reply to, I'm not replying to anyone, so I will skip this. In the email subject, I'll write, welcome, your exclusive special offer inside, and then I'm going to enter my email content. So over here I've selected my email content type as plain, so I'm going to enter the content in plain format. When you select the HTML type, you have to enter the content in HTML format. I'm going to enter my content as, so here I've entered my email content, hi, and then I'm going to map the name of this lead which I've received from Facebook lead, which is current user. And then thank you for showing interest in Pabbly. We are excited to have you with us and wanted to share something special. Get 25% on your first purchase, and then just use the code welcome25 at checkout or click below to grab your offer. Hurry, this special deal is valid for 5 days. Don't miss out. If you have any questions, simply reply to this email. We are here to help you. Cheers, Pabbly. So this is the mail content which I have created, and then in the labels, I'm going to select it as inbox only. I'm not sending any file or the attachment, but if you are sending, please make sure that the file limit does not exceed the given limit given over here. Now over here, mapping is important so that every time you receive a new response, it is taken into consideration in this field. Manually entering the data will make this field static, and the information will not change even if you receive the new response. Now over here, if I manually enter any data, this field will become static, and every time I receive a new response, the result will not change. So as to keep this field dynamic, we use this process mapping instead of manually entering the details. Now after entering all these details, I'm simply going to click on save and send test request. Let's wait for the response. And here I have received the response. This response is a positive one. I'm going to open my mailbox and check whether I have received any mail there or not. And here you can see that just 1 minute ago, I have received this mail. Hi, current user. Thank you for showing interest in Pabbly. We're excited to have you with us. Just wanted to share something special. This is the same exact mail. This is the same exact subject. Welcome, your exclusive special offer inside. And then it was sent by this Pabbly to this current user. So this is how we have created this workflow. And now to summarize, we took Facebook lead ads as a trigger application where we made connection with Pabbly Connect. We received the new lead, and then we wanted to send mail to this lead. So we took Gmail as an action application, made connection with Pabbly Connect, entered all the required details, and then finally executed this workflow and send the mail. So this is how this automation workflow is going to run, and here we have successfully created automation between this Facebook lead ads and Gmail with the help of Pabbly Connect. I have attached the link to this workflow in the description so that you can check this out, and I hope you like this video and understood this video very well. Thanks for watching.
Not only these applications, but you can integrate many more applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now, if you have any doubt, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, you can visit the website given over here. Also, if you find our videos helpful, do share it with your friends and like and subscribe to our channel.